Good morning students, and welcome to video number 8 on the chapter quadratic equation. Now in this video we will be discussing about the third method for solving quadratic equation, and the name of the third method is quadratic formula. So how to solve or how to find out the value of x or how to find out the roots of the equation by quadratic formula. This is the formula. So by using quadratic formula you have to use minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For this purpose, what we have to do, we have to remember the standard quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we already know that is a, b are the coefficient of x square and s respectively, and the c is the constant. So in this method, there is nothing to do, just you have to write down the formula and put the value in the formula and get the answer. So I will take the second question from your notes, because question number 1 is very simple. So after solving question number 1, so you can do question number 1 also very easily. So I am taking question number 2, and the question number 2 is like this: 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So how to solve this? The first thing what we have to do is to compare this one with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when you are comparing this equation ax square plus bx plus c, that is a standard equation, with the given equation, we can find out this a is equal to 9. So a must be equal to 9, b must be equal to 7, and c must be equal to minus 2. You have to take the signs also. Don't take plus 2, you should be minus 2. And therefore, the value of a is equal to 9, the value of b is equal to 7, the value of c is equal to minus 2. In case it is here negative, then you have to write down here also the negative sign. But since it is positive, so I will use the positive sign. So therefore, now by quadratic formula, the value of the variable or the x is given by minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now in this, you have to follow the values of a, b and c, and you have to put it in the given quadratic formula. So therefore, the value of x is equal to minus b. So value of b is 7 plus minus under root of b square is again 7. So 7 the whole square minus 4 into a. The value of a is 9 into c. The value of c is minus 2. Remember children, whenever you are having a minus sign, you should always use the bracket, and whenever you are having a square, you should always use the brackets, so that your calculation becomes easy afterwards. So multiplied by 2 into a. A's value is 9, and therefore the next step, x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root of, now 7 square is 49 minus 4 9s are 36, 36 2s are 72, and 72 multiplied by this minus sign, and minus sign becomes plus. So here it becomes plus 72 full divided by 18. 2 9s are 18. So therefore x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root of 49 plus 72 is 121 divided by 18. Now we can see that there are two values, plus and minus, or two signs, plus and minus. So one root will be having positive sign and one root will be having the negative sign. So this becomes x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root of 121 is 11 divided by 18. So now we are going to separate the roots. So one root will be minus 7 plus 11 divided by 18, and other will be minus 7 minus 11 by 18. So therefore x is equal to minus 7 plus 11 is equal to 4 by 18, and another will be minus 18 divided by 18. Minus 7 minus 11, both the numbers are negative, so we have to add and give the negative sign. Here one number is negative, one number is positive, so we have to add and give the negative sign. And you have to add and give, so you have to subtract and you have to give the sign of the bigger number. So when you are cancelling, it becomes 2, this becomes 9, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1. ultimately x is equal to 2 by 9 and another value of x is just minus 1, and therefore the roots of this quadratic equation is 2 by 9 and minus 1. So this is the way to calculate or to find out the values of the variable or to find out the roots of the variable by quadratic formula. Suppose the question comes in the exam, find out the roots of the equation by the quadratic formula. This is the method. I will once again explain and then I will move on to the next question. Now the question is 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So compare this with the standard equation, and when you are comparing with the standard equation, a becomes 9, b becomes 7, c becomes minus 2. So therefore, now by quadratic formula, the value of x or the quadratic formula states that x must be equal to minus b plus minus under root of minus the b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just put the values. B's value is 7, B's value is 7, value of A is 9, value of C is equal to 2 and 2 into 9. And then afterwards, just you have to solve minus 7 plus minus. So 7 square becomes 49, minus into minus becomes plus, and the multiplication is 7 divided by 18. Now here we are getting under root of 121, and therefore under root of 121 is either positive or negative, but already plus and minus is written here, so no need to write it once again. So minus 7 plus minus 11 divided by 18. So x becomes minus 7 plus 11 by 18, and another is here it is plus and here it is minus. So therefore we get 2 by 9 and minus 18 divided by 18. So ultimately we get 2 by 9 and minus 1. So therefore the roots of the quadratic equation are 2 by 9 and minus 1. Children, whenever the such question comes, if you see very carefully the questions, this question, and if you see this question can be solved by using factorization also, because if you multiply this 9 with 2, you will get here 18, and the factors of 18 are nothing but 1 into 18 and 2 into 9. And since you are having the factors 2 and 9, this 2 and 9 can be adjusted and we can get here plus 7. Since in this particular question we are able to get the factors, that's why remember that whenever you are solving a quadratic equation where the factors are possible, in that case inside the square root sign, you will always get a perfect square. You will never get this as number 123 or 120, 120, 124 like that. You will always get a perfect square. In which case, whenever you are able to solve a question by factorization, and hence we can able to solve. So the more next question where there is an irrational number we will be where I will be discussing in my next video. So timing, thank you, and once again we will meet after a short time.